Hello folks, NTN here, and today we're going to delve into a topic that's on everyone's mind. How to become rich in 2024. This isn't just about stacking up dollar bills, it's about embracing financial growth and stability, about having the freedom to make choices that enrich your life. The year 2024 holds immense potential for those ready to seize it. So, without further ado, let's dive right into the steps to make 2024 your year of financial prosperity. The first step is all about financial planning. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Now, having a solid financial plan is like having a roadmap to riches. Tools like budgeting can help you control your spending, while investing can multiply your wealth. And don't forget about saving. It's like a safety net when life throws you a curveball. Remember, it's not about how much money you earn, but how much you save and invest. The second step revolves around diversifying your income. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. In this fast-paced world, having multiple income streams is crucial. Think of passive income. It's income that requires little to no effort to earn and maintain. It could be from rental properties, dividends from investments, or even an online business. These are just a few examples of how you can create additional income streams. So, start exploring other income avenues today and watch your wealth grow. The third step is often overlooked: investing in yourself. This means dedicating time to personal growth, learning new skills, and honing existing ones. It's about being the best version of yourself, not just for your personal life, but also in your professional sphere. The more skilled and knowledgeable you are, the more value you can bring, and the higher your income potential becomes. So, remember to invest in your biggest asset, yourself. After all, you are your biggest asset. All right, to wrap things up, let's summarize what we've learned today. Our first step on the path to riches in 2024 is financial planning. This is the foundation, the blueprint of our wealth-building journey. It's where we determine our financial goals and outline a strategy to achieve them. Our second step is diversifying income. By cultivating multiple income streams, we can strengthen our financial security and accelerate our wealth accumulation. Whether it's through a side hustle, passive income, or investments, diversification is key to building a robust financial portfolio. Finally, our third step is to invest in yourself. This may be the most crucial step of all. Upskilling, learning, and growing are the best investments you can make. They pay dividends in the form of increased earning potential and personal satisfaction. Remember, the journey to wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. So start today, stay consistent, and 2024 could be your year of financial breakthrough. This is NTN signing off. Until next time, keep hustling.